ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 81 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 3. ತತ್ರ ಕ್ರೀಡನ್ನಪಿ ಚ ಯಮುನಾಕೂಲದೃಷ್ಟಾಂ ಗೃಹೀತ್ವಾ ತಾಂ ಕಾಲಿಂದೀಂ ನಗರಮಗಮಃ ಕಾಂಡವ ಪ್ರೀಣಿತಾಗ್ನಿಃ ಭ್ರಾತೃತ್ರಸ್ತಾಂ ಪ್ರಣಯ ವಿವಶಾಂ ದೇವಪೈತೃಷ್ವಸೇಯೀಂ ರಾಜ್ಞಾಂ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಸಪದಿ ಜಹೃಷೇ ಮಿತ್ರವಿಂದಾಂ ಅವಂತೀಂ. ವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಅಪಿ ಚ besides, ತತ್ರ ಕ್ರೀಡನ್ while sporting there in Indraprastha, Yamuna Kula Drishtam who was seen on the banks of the Yamuna, Tam Kalindim that Kalindi the deity of Yamuna, Gruhitva accepting as wife, Kandava Prinitagnihi pleasing Agni by giving him the whole forest of Kandava to be consumed. Nagaram Agamaha thou didst return to Dwaraka. He Deva, O Lord. Bhatrutrastam who was afraid of her brothers. Pranaya Vivasham who was in love with thee. Paitrushvaseyeem the daughter of thy father's sister. Avantim the princess of Avanti. Mitravinda Ragyam Madhye in the midst of kings. Sapadi Jahrushe thou didst suddenly carry away. Full meaning. Besides, while sporting in Indraprastha, thou didst see Kalindi on the banks of the Yamuna and didst accept her as thy wife. After pleasing the fire deity by giving him the Khandava forest, thou didst return to Dwaraka. O Lord, thou didst then suddenly carry away in the presence of many kings Mitravinda, the princess of Avanti, the daughter of thy father's sister, who was in love with thee, but was afraid of her brothers who were friends of Kamsa. Om Tat Sat.